Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Naugar Bhayandar East. Subject English. Topic Application of Grammar. It is article. Course outcomes. After watching these videos, student able to formulate grammatically correct sentences for specified situation. Second, student able to use relevant article in constructing sentences. After watching this video, after completion of this topic, student able to formulate the sentence as well as using the correct article at its right place. Students, in our first two videos, we already know that how to use article a and the. A and is indefinite article and the is definite article. A and is used as per the uses of vowel and consonant in the word. If the word begins with vowel like sound, we use an article. If the word begins with consonant like sound, we use a article. Both a and an indicate indefinite sense, means it gives the general sense, it gives the non-specific sense. We can't get specific idea from this a and an article. That's why it is called as a indefinite article. On the other hand, the is called as a definite article because the gives the particular or specific sense about the object or about the particular thing. That's why it is called as a definite article. Now we have seen a and the, how to use a and the in the sentence, but today we are going to learn omission of article, means where we will not use article, where we should delete the article. There are some rules of deleting articles, just like uses of article there are some rules, that the same where to delete the article. So one by one we have seen omission of articles. Number 1, articles are not used with uncountable, abstract and material nouns when they are used in a general sense. Means when uncountable, abstract or material noun gives us common sense or general sense, that time we did not use any article, means we deleting the article at that time. So one by one we see the examples. Number 1, rice is grown in some region of Maharashtra. In this example, rice is a noun, okay, used in this sentence. It is a material noun which indicate a common sense or general sense. That's why we delete the article. We do not use any article in this example or in the before the noun rice. So omission of article in this example. Number 2, honesty is the best policy. In this example, honesty, the word is a abstract noun. Before the abstract noun, okay, we do not use any article, or such honesty, okay, give the general sense or common sense of your related or regarding to the policy. That's why we do not use any article before the word honesty. Number 3, platinum is costlier than gold. The platinum is a material noun and it gives the common sense. That's why we do not use any article before the noun, before the material noun platinum. Next, second, with the plural countable nouns used in a general sense, that time we do not use any article in the example. Means when the plural noun indicate a common sense or general sense, that time we omission or that time we delete the article. For example, children are innocent. Okay, children is a plural noun. Okay, is a noun. It is a plural countable noun and it gives the general sense of innocentness of innocent of the student. I mean, that's why we do not use article in this example. Books are the best. Books are our best friend. Here in the example, books, these are also the countable noun, but books also is the plural countable noun. That's why we do not use article in this example. People are habituated to the smartphones. People, we know that people use a singular, plural, the same word, but here in this example, people is a plural countable noun. That's why we do not use any article in this example. So when the plural countable noun is used in a general sense, that time we deleting the article. We do not use any article a and the in the example or before the noun. Next, with proper noun phrase that contain the determiners. For example, my house is located at Shivaji Nagar. I recently read America's history. I looked at this car with curiosity. In this example, my house, America's, okay, the cat, etc. Okay, these are the noun phrase with indicate the other determiners. That's why we do not use any article in this example. So we are deleting the articles. Next, number 4, before the languages, before the name of language, before the languages, we deleting the article. For example, English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, etc. Okay, we always deleting the articles. We do not use any article, English, the English, an English, etc. We do not use any article. We only say English, Hindi, Marathi, etc. So we see examples. We speak English for effective global communication. In this example, English, the name of language is used. That's why we deleting the article. We do not use any article before the word English. Marathi is spoken in some part of Karnataka also. Marathi, the name of language. That's why we do not use any article before the language, before the name of language. We do not use any article before Marathi words. Next, before proper noun. Before proper noun, except those referred to earlier. Before the proper noun, we do not use any article. For example, we had a meeting in Nagpur. Nagpur, the name of city. It is the proper name of the city. That's why we delete the article. Raman liked to watch movies. Raman, the name of person. It's a proper noun. That's why we delete the article. Asia is the largest continent. Okay, Asia, the name of continent. It is a proper name, proper noun of the continent. That's why we delete the article. When the proper noun is used, we deleting article. Before the name of relations. Okay, in our family there is a father and son, mother and son, mother and daughter, son and grandson, etc. Such are the many relationships. So when there is a relationship, we delete the article. So we see the example. Father has returned from journey. Father, okay, indicating the relationship. Okay, so we delete the article before the word father. We went to hometown to Sri grandmother. Grandmother also indicating the relationship. So we deleting the article before the word grandmother. When relationship is given, we delete the article. Thank you, students. So these are the some rules where we do not use article, means where to deleting the article, where to omission of article. Just like uses of article, there are some rules as per the indefinite and indefinite. Such are where we do not use article, there are some rules. Okay, so if we follow, if we keep focus on these rules, so we definitely using article at its right place, or also we do not use or we deleting the article as per the rules of grammar. So I hope student will gaining the knowledge of article, where to use the article and where they do not use the article. So best of luck. Thank you.